Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, we're going to be taking an image and editing and altering it. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to need to find your Photos app. It's that rainbow-looking flower icon. After that, you're going to need to select one of your images. I'm going to go ahead and pick my favorite Pokemon, Eevee. To begin editing, go to the top right corner and click the word Edit. Right away, it's going to show you a few options over here and over here. These are your three main options. The first one is going to help you change the color of your picture. Lots of different ways to change the color. Just below it is the three little circles. This is another way to change the color of your photo. And then below it is the crop tool. You can use this to zoom in, change the size and shape. You could also use it to rotate, stretch your image. Up here at the top, you can flip it and even rotate it. When you're done playing with these, check out this circle up here. This is when it gets really fun. Click on Markup. Right away, it's going to give you a couple tools down here at the bottom. There's the pen, highlighter, crayon, eraser, select tool, and a ruler. Then it also gives you some different color options. And then the plus sign also has options for putting in text and other things there. Like I could put in a little shape or an arrow or so much we could do. You can use your finger to mark on this. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead and use the highlighter. And I'm going to do a crown on Eevee's head. Ooh. What else could I do? Do another color? Now it's like a fiery headdress. Let's see what else I could do. Click and hold. Ooh, that's going to give me different options for my tool. Be sure to play around with those. See this one? Ooh, it's got similar stuff. Let's see. Woohoo! It's like you're sitting in water now, Eevee. Ooh, let's see, what does this one do? Select, yeah, I can select and move things if I want. Cool. Oh, there's so many things I could do. Let's go back. So the little arrows, I can go back with that. Ooh. Let's see. I think I like it like that. When you have it the way you like, click Done. It brings you back to this menu where you can play with the color options again if you're interested. Ooh. Then, when you're finished with all of your editing and altering, click Done. Excellent job. Now I have my Eevee is edited and altered. Be sure to send me your photo that you edited and altered. Till next time, class, keep being creative.